We're going to have a quick look at arousal because it plays such a key role. And we're going to look at how arousal affects attention, focus, concentration, how it influences decision making, how it affects muscular tension and coordination. And then we're going to have a look at a few things that affect where our optimal arousal state might be for our dog. Things to try: identify the exact cause, obviously. It may require some systematic desensitization to the stimuli or elements in the environment so the dog feels more comfortable when they're left out there, and hence they're able to process the cue when you give it to them. You could need to work on some spatial pressure. Reducing pressure and frustration to within the dog's capabilities is usually going to resolve these problems. And then we build resilience beyond that, but it's not going to happen by just pushing the dog outside of its comfort zone to a large extent. So this can influence the speed to arrive at the object, because if they know when they get there, they've got to pick it up, and they know they have horrible feelings about picking it up because they feel like that they're picking it up and maybe another dog or maybe another person in the area might want it and they don't feel like they want to have that challenge, then they know getting there is going to result in having to pick it up. So they start to become slow about getting there because of all of these feelings that they're having. And that's also obviously can result in that displacement sniffing when they arrive at the object. We need to remember when we see these deteriorations in speed or deteriorations in of accuracy in a competition setting or in a training setting where there's a bit more pressure, in an environmental in a setting where there's environmental pressure, it's not that the animal doesn't know how to do the exercise. So going and just practicing the exercise over and over is not going to be all that useful to you. You'd be better off to spend that time going and practicing desensitization to environmental pressure.